So I think the obvious pick for you on number 5 would be 2x, because it's trapped under each of the trig functions. If I pick that to be my u, then du would be 2dx. And I certainly don't have a 2dx, I have a 1dx. So to go from 2dx to 1dx, I need to divide both sides by 2. And so now I think I have the pieces where I can rewrite this. This would be secant u times tangent u. And if I do a 1/2 du, that's equal to dx. 1/2 du is the same thing as dx. Now again, if you're not making a habit out of doing this last step, then you're trying to do some of the chain rule in your head, which is what we're trying to avoid. It's the whole purpose of u substitution. Okay, and then, well, to finish this does depend on if we have one of our trig identities or trig derivatives memorized. So the handout I gave you guys today were the derivative of inverse trig functions. You probably only need to know inverse sine and inverse tangent. Derivative of regular trig functions, you need to know all 6. Sine and cosine pop up all the time. The other 4 are not as common, but they will probably ask one of those on the AP exam. There's not 1 or 2 that are more common than the others. So the thing that you have to remember to finish this is the derivative of secant is secant times tangent. So that's an easy thing to integrate at the end, but it does depend on you having this memorized. Don't forget your plus C and plug in your U again. Of course, on a test, if you had time, check it by taking the derivative. Okay, anybody that was wanting to ask about question 5, you'll need to speak up and tell me if there's something more specific you need. That's enough for that one.